With today's complex applications and myriad dependencies, service virtualization has become a crucial part of any testing organization, especially an agile one that desires to do continuous testing. Whether you're building a web application, a mobile app, a car, or a smart sprinkler, your software relies on many moving parts. Off-the-shelf components, open-source libraries, cloud access, databases, and third-party services are part of most modern software. This complexity plus external dependencies creates a challenge when you're trying to get your testing done. Service virtualization is a technology for dev test teams that gives you access to a complete test environment by simulating the dependent components that are beyond your control, still evolving, or too complex to configure in a test lab. It's usually difficult to test dependent system components that are beyond your scope or control, like third-party applications, SAP, mainframes, not yet implemented services, etc. Now you can simulate their behavior using Parasoft Virtualize, eliminating this common roadblock from your testing efforts. When groups are on different schedules or they're competing for assets, you would ordinarily run into a deadlock while people wait for others to finish coding or testing. Virtualization allows you to simulate the dependencies that each group needs, allowing groups to move at their pace while speeding up the whole flow. Another roadblock to testing is knowing what kind of loads your system can handle. If you're unable to start planning for performance until everything is built, you won't be able to adapt quickly enough or even test the performance profiles you expect. With virtualization, you get access to everything you need as soon as you start coding. If one component buckles under pressure, you'll know in time to determine what the best corrective action is. Now available for Microsoft Visual Studio Enterprise subscribers, Parasoft Virtualize operates natively within the Microsoft environment, enabling organizations to rapidly deploy a complete test environment on demand. These simulated test environments are lightweight and Azure compatible so that when you need to scale, ergo for performance testing, you can do that on demand. They are also disposable. A test environment can be instantly provisioned from a golden template, used and dirtied, and then simply destroyed. There's no need to spend time resetting the environment or test data to its original state. The exact same environment can be instantly spun up whenever it's needed, ergo for reproducing or verifying defects. Parasoft now offers 6 months use of Virtualize and SOAtest Desktop to Microsoft Visual Enterprise subscribers for free, and then 25% off the regular price. To activate your subscription, get your activation code from your Microsoft Visual Studio portal.